I'm making a potato leek soup today. And with that, I'm going to make a Canadian bacon onion quiche. Let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of oil or olive oil in the pot, and I've got 3 ounces of prosciutto that I cut into strips. I'm going to pan fry this until it's crispy. This will be garnish on top of the soup. All right, it's ready to come out, nice and crispy. Put it on a paper towel lined plate and set it aside for when our soup is complete. Now, 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to go in with the celery, poblano pepper, jalapeno pepper, all of that is then seeded, and my leeks. I'll stir this up real well and saute it. Now I'm going to add the garlic. I tied my thyme sprigs together with butcher's string so it'd be easy to remove. So salt and pepper, the potatoes. That's 6 cups of peeled and cubed Yukon Gold potatoes. Now I'm adding 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. We'll get our potatoes tender before we do anything else. If you've never cooked with the leeks, they have a wonderful flavor. They have a flavor of a cross between mild garlic and onion. Really, really good flavor. So now I can take out my thyme bundle. I'm just going to scrape it a little with a fork to get some more of those leaves off. We will be adding more thyme. Once the potatoes are tender, and they are, I'm going to remove about half of the potato chunks. I like my soup to be creamy and chunky. I'm going to puree the remaining potatoes in my Vitamix blender. Well, this doesn't take long. This Vitamix blender is a workhorse. I did this in 2 batches until it was all complete. If you don't have a blender, you can use a potato masher and mash the potatoes while they're still in the pot. Now I'm adding everything back, the chunks of potatoes and my puree. I'm going to put the cheese in and let it melt well. Some more fresh thyme. That's 2 teaspoons of chopped thyme leaves, fresh leaves. And half a cup of sour cream or creme fraiche. And here I come with it. And this is homemade. Creme fraiche is so easy to make. I also put in a half a cup of half and half. A little more salt and pepper. Dash of cayenne. More salt. And my favorite sauce, Louisiana Gold Green sauce. You could just use Tabasco or your favorite pepper sauce. Louisiana Gold Green sauce is not hot though. I love the flavor that it gives things. All right, let this come back up to temperature and it'll be ready to serve. Hearty potato leek soup. It's definitely soup weather, and potato leek soup will warm you down to your toes. This soup is quick and easy to make, which is a plus. Loaded with peppers, cheese, leeks, and potatoes, cooked with all the usual spices like garlic, thyme, salt, pepper, and oh yeah, a little cayenne. I almost forgot to mention the creme fraiche, which gives it a creamy texture I'm sure you'll enjoy. If you don't have creme fraiche, you can substitute sour cream. I garnished this soup with crunchy prosciutto and chives. Paired this with a Canadian bacon and onion quiche, which was made in another video. It worked well together. Perfect for a cold winter day or morning or brunch. You should see a link to that video here on the left at the end of this one. And as always, you can find a printable recipe on my website, darlenestable.com, along with all of my other recipes that are here on YouTube. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel when you do that. Also, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. That way you can keep up with what's going on here on Darlene's Table.